resilience as a concept has been evolving in the research and in field practice. If we went back to the early days, say 50 years ago, we might have heard people talking about the human tendency to sometimes overcome adversity and sometimes not. And that really grew out of the earliest research. It was international. Norm Garmazy, Michael Rutter, a number of really well-known, very old scholars worked with that. And at that time, the question was simply, how can some people do well and others not? And now, 50 years later, you and I are in a position to be able to look at a broader body of study and conclude that resilience is in fact not something that just some people demonstrate and others don't, but rather we would talk about a natural, innate human capacity for what I would say is navigating life successfully, and that the factor that seems to make the biggest difference whether someone demonstrates their capacity for resilience or manifests it has to do with whether they have an opportunity to learn how to tap that resilience, to, in a sense, reach in and discover it. And so I would say that the definition of resilience is continually evolving. It's becoming more and more hopeful, more and more universal.